which is a half shoulder stand. In this same video, we're also going to do the full shoulder stand, Sarvangasana. And this is on page 142 and 143 of the book. So we'll do Ardha, which means half, Sarvangasana, the half shoulder stand. That's the half shoulder stand. The full shoulder stand from there, squeezing the bum, squeezing the hamstrings, you send the foot, feet up towards the ceiling. Feet are braced together, they're pointed and turned, they're squeezed together. Ideally, hopefully that is, the ankles are above the knees and above the hips. So the hips are technically extended, so squeezing the bum, squeezing the hamstring. That's a full shoulder stand. That's a half shoulder stand. There are various ways you can get into it. So, from there, bring the knees in. Bring the knees, almost like a wind relieving pose. Bring the knees into the chest. You're pushing down the arms as you roll the spine up. Put the hands on the pelvis to start with. Extend them up. Hands on now on the lower back, top part of the pelvis. Legs are braced together. So, what does that work? Work the abdominals. Very good one for the core, for the abdominal girdle. Are you squeezing your legs? The legs are straight together, so you're working your adductors, squeezing the legs. The legs are locked down, so you're working your quads. So a little bit of calf flexibility, gastrocnemius, and your hamstring flexibility required for that. Now squeeze your bum, you're working your hamstrings and your glutes, it's hip extensors, and it's challenging on your abdominal muscles. Take them into the full shoulder stand. And then lower down. Now lowering down can work your abdominals great as you lower down, depending on what you want to lower down and get in and out of it. But just getting in and out of there can be an issue for some people. For some people with wrist issues, that can be a problem. Just getting your feet, your hands in that position there and holding that position, because you could be holding this for several minutes, this particular posture, this particular pose. Hamstring flexibility can be another one, another issue for people. Lower back flexibility, the floor flexibility in the spine. That's a great one for spinal flexibility. For you're stretching off the spine as well. Certainly getting up there and the lowering down part of it. Don't neglect the thoracolumbar fascia is being stretched as well. The weight, don't put any weight into your head or neck. The weight is across the shoulders and in the arms. The upper back, the shoulders, and in the arms. So as I said, there are different ways of getting up there. Some people will just not have the core strength to get from there up to that position. A lot of people just haven't got the strength. Just in getting up from that position there, you're working the long head of the tricep, latissimus, a little bit of chest muscle, not massively so, but more long head of the tricep, latissimus muscle. Just getting up there as you push down with the arms, and the arms are supporting you. But a lot of people can't get up into that position. So it might be an issue for some people getting into that position. To start with, you can, I don't really want to cover it too much on this video, but you can use momentum to get up there. So from there, just roll back, catch your hands, your pelvis with your hands, and then get up from there. And that's half shoulder stand, shoulder stand. Again, the weight isn't in the head or neck, and that's page 142 and page 143 of the book.